Hi, you guys. Here's a quick review on this Stuffins Inc. 1996, well, technically 1997 and 1996 Great Dane dog plush. Without further ado, let's get on to the review. Very nice eyes, plastic nose, the ears, very nice. The paws, cool stitching in them, very nice. Very cute and adorable looking Great Dane. Here he's like this and like this. I actually did a Great Dane that's similar to this one, but I think it's different compared to this one. Yep, very nice looking Great Dane. There's the two dots on the side. Very nice. Very cute and adorable little Great Dane. Here's its tag. It's Stuffins, 1996. And right here, there's another tag. This is 1997. And its tail. There's the back. And there you go, there's the back. Very nice. Adorable looking Great Dane. Here's the bottom of him. Very nice. This Great Dane is very, very cute. I mean, I really love this Great Dane so much. I'm so happy I got another one of this. There's its tail. Very nice. Very cute and adorable. Very, very cute. Yep. Very nice. And look at that. Show that look at that. Show that to a perfect Photoshop right there. Use this for Photoshop. Look at that. This is a greyhound though. This is not a Great Dane. Which it does have the tail right there. Very nice. I'm gonna do him in another video, which I can't do him right now. Very nice Great Dane. Very cute. Here he is like this. And like this, pretty nice. Adorable. Plastic nose and eyes, the ears, the mouth. Very cool things about this plush. Bunch of cool things. The feet, the paws. Very, very cute. Very cute looking Great Dane. Very nice. The tail, pretty cute. Adorable. Dog. Here he is like this. And like this. There's his face. There's the front of his face. Look at that. Very nice. Yep. Here he is like this. And like this. Pretty nice. And that is it. Alright guys, that's the quick review on this Stuffins Inc. 1996/1997 Great Dane dog plush. Alright guys, bye.